Okay, everyone, these are the instructions on how to complete this assignment using the Seterra website that I've assigned. This is to be used instead of the Shepherd software link assignment because I understand that sometimes Adobe Flash will not allow the Shepherd software link to work, and so we're going to use this one instead. So once you open up the document, it's going to look like this. Go ahead, click on the link. As it loads, I'm going to go back to this document and just show you what I'm talking about, what you need to do. With the instructions, it says select pin under the game mode tab. What I'm going to do is scroll down here. It says game mode. It's already on. So we're good to go. All right. What you're going to do is, first things first, you'll notice that the clock is running and it wants me to select the countries. If you want, you can always restart the clock, and now it's got a different country that I need to click on. Okay, and you'll notice if you click on the wrong country several times, eventually that country is going to pop up. Okay, now there is also some capitals that are listed in here, and just do your best to click on the most appropriate section. Okay, once you're done completing this, it's going to pop up with a score. You write that in right here, and then you'll complete it again. Then you will select pin the hard or the difficult level by just going here, and it's only going to give you 46 tries in order to complete the whole thing. Let's see how good you can get in doing this, and like they say, practice makes perfect. Okay, so do your best to click on the most appropriate country. All right, hope this helps, guys.